Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add chapter markers in Final Cut Pro and use an app called Creator's Best Friend to convert them into timecodes for your YouTube descriptions. Please stick around to the end of the video as I will show you some useful marker tips. Timecodes allow viewers to jump to chapters in your YouTube videos, which is a really nice feature. Final Cut Pro does not have this built in natively. If you make lots of videos for YouTube, this will save you lots of time. No need to type them in manually after upload. Creator's Best Friend does it for you. When adding chapter markers, they need to be at least 10 seconds apart. I'll show you later on in the video what happens if they're less than 10 seconds. Let's get into it. Right, so you want to open up your App Store. Then in the search, you want to do a search for Creator's Best Friend. There should only be one result. This is a paid app, so I'm going to order it now. Buy the app. Once you've downloaded it, close the App Store. We're going to jump into Final Cut Pro. All right, so here's a project. You can see here I've already added some markers in. I can double click on it, it'll tell me exactly what it is. I'll show you quickly how to add a marker now. Say I wanted to have a marker here. You can put it anywhere in your video where you think there should be a chapter. So I click here, I press M on the keyboard. Then we can see you've got the little symbol there for the marker. Double click this. And then you've got three options here. You want to make sure you press the one on the right. This will add a chapter marker. And then you can give it whatever name you want. So it might be intro or content, or it might be, on this case, hose. And then I can press done. And you can adjust the length, the start position and the finish. We can see it starts here and it finishes here. For YouTube timecodes, you don't need to set the end position of the chapter. YouTube uses a start position. So that's all you need to do. You'd repeat that process. You can add as many markers as you want by pressing M, and then just make sure that you choose that one, and that will change it to a chapter. You can go through your entire video, scrub through the timeline, and to export it, we go to File, Export XML, and I'm just giving it the same title as my project. Press Save. I'm going to stick it on the desktop. Right, so there's our XML file. Close Final Cut Pro. And then we want to go into Launchpad, and you want Creator's Best Friend, which is this one here. Open that. So here's our file that we just exported. All I'm going to do is go Open XML. Going to go onto the desktop. And we're looking for this file here. You can see it's got some FCPX MID. Press that, and then press Open. Okay, it's warning me that some of my chapters were under 10 seconds long, so it was removed. Okay, so I'll press OK. So it does warn you if you have got something a bit wrong in there, which is my fault. Press OK. Now all I've got to do is copy this, Command C, and then I go to my YouTube video, which I've got open here. So I'm in the Creator Studio, and then I will just put it in under here. Paste it in, Command V, and there we go. So there's our timestamps added from Final Cut Pro. One little quick tip, if you want to see all your chapter markers in Final Cut Pro, click on Index, and then you want to make sure you've got Tag selected, and then we scroll down to here, and then we want to click on Chapters, and this will show you all your chapters within Final Cut Pro. So we can see them here in a list. If you double click on it, it takes you to that chapter, and it also opens it so you can edit the text. So it's a handy little tip just to know. If you found this helpful, please leave a comment below, hit that like button and smash that subscribe. Well, if you didn't like it, hit that dislike twice. Have an awesome day, and I'll see you on the next one.